Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn text vertical in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to turn text vertical. At first, select any text. Then go to the home menu. Select the orientation drop down menu. Now we can see here many orientation option. Now I am select vertical text, and we can see we make the text vertical. You can make another text vertical. Now I am select the text and make this vertical. Otherwise you can change the orientation option, go back again the orientation, go to format cell. We can see here many orientation. You can change this, click OK. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.